Hello, fifth graders. Today is Friday, September 18th. Today in class, we did not have a new lesson so much. We did learn about the invention of the chocolate chip cookie and enjoyed that, learning a little bit with some cookies. So hopefully at home today you can enjoy a chocolate chip cookie and look up how that invention got its start. Then we took some time to take our spelling test. Make sure I get your spelling test sent to me today. If I do not get it before next Friday, then it stays at 0 out of 100 in the grade book. Then the rest of the class period we spent researching our topic, learning more about who invented it, when it was invented, how it came to be, was it by accident, and why the inventor wanted to do it. Was it to help people? Was it because they wanted to come up with something new and exciting and gain fame and fortune? Were they trying to solve a problem? And that is the gist of what we did today. Make sure you read for homework. Make sure that you have turned in your cursive spelling today. That's due. And then what else? Cursive spelling's due. Read. I gave everybody their new spelling list today. So if you were not in class, I will be sharing a document with you. Have a good weekend.